Hey guys, DzakiPedia is here. So today I will show you how do I fix jmc2obj is not working on Ubuntu 20.4 LTS. I mean on all Unix-like systems and Linux operating systems. So first, what's the error about? It's the blank screen and can't reading file error, reading configuration file exception, cannot open configuration file. Okay, and we'll get this red text here error reading about Java lang exception right on the console section, and we can't load words here as you see, and all is gray and blank. So what's my solution to fix this? Is the wrong directory or the permissions to make sure. Okay, open properties here and set it read and write, and then close this and reopen again. If the problems still exist here, I found the one way to fix this. Okay, you copy the file and paste it here on home directory and open this, and it's fixed at all. And load the world. See, it's fixed for me, and on some case it won't load on another directory and another folder here. It's just working on home directory. I don't know what's the problem about, but it's one way to fix it for me. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to support this channel, and hit the like button if you like. And if you don't like this video, just dislike and comment what's wrong here. And the note here, I can't speak English good, so that's why. Okay, just this what I can show you guys. Until here, goodbye and see you later on my channel DzakiPedia.